So, Huawei's biggest launch of the year is literally tomorrow. And this time, they're not doing a normal live stream, it's a recorded broadcast event where they're dropping a full winter lineup. And yes, we finally have the full list of every product launching at this event. The Huawei Mate 80, Mate 80 Pro, Mate 80 Pro Max, Mate 80 RS Ultimate Design, and the Huawei Mate X7 Foldable. Plus a bunch of other winter conference products, but the main spotlight is totally on the Mate 80 lineup. Now, the part I'm actually impressed by is Huawei's durability flex. They're pushing this so hard because the Huawei Mate 80 Pro Max is built like a tank. This phone is using an all-metal basalt body, and honestly, the stuff Huawei is showing in teasers doesn't even look like real. They are literally throwing this phone downstairs, sliding it over rocks, hitting it with a bench, tossing it into the water, and not even a tiny scratch. Even after a full washing machine cycle, the thing looks brand new. Bro, which phone survives a washing machine? Like, it's insane. Basalt metal isn't just strong, it also keeps the phone cool because it conducts heat better. So the phone feels premium, cool to the touch, slimmer, stronger, shock resistance. And then they covered it with the Kunlun glass, basalt armor, polyamide fiber for a full 3-layer protection system, which is totally insane. Now, here's where it gets even crazier. Pre-orders are already breaking records before the launch even started. Just the Huawei Mate 80 Pro alone crossed 1 million pre-orders in 24 hours, which is insane. And the Pro Max teasers are getting insane attention also, but people are actually locking to the Huawei Mate 80 Pro more, probably because it's using the Kirin 9030 Pro, it's cheaper than the Pro Max, and it still gives flagship performance. You can pre-book all the models on the Huawei V Mall for just 200 yuan and choose your storage and color. The Mate 80, 80 Pro, 80 Pro Max, RS Ultimate all open for the priority delivery. So yeah, the series isn't even launched yet, and the Huawei Mate 80 lineup is already breaking records. So what do you guys think about it? And are you guys excited for the tomorrow's launch? Share your thoughts on it in the comments down below. And as always, I will keep you guys posted in the next one. Peace out.